Hello and welcome to our first video on 10 quick and easy ways to make money online. Take surveys on websites like SurveyJunkie and Swabax. There are many websites that offer paid surveys. These websites allow you to sign up and take surveys in exchange for cash or gift cards. The surveys can be completed online from the comfort of your own home. Number 2. Sell items you no longer need. There are several platforms available for selling items like eBay and Poshmark. To sell on eBay, you will need to create an account and list your items for sale. You can set a fixed price or opt for an auction-style listing. eBay charges a small fee for each item you sell. Poshmark is a platform for selling clothing and accessories. To sell on Poshmark, you will need to create an account and list your items for sale. Poshmark takes a percentage of each sale as a commission. Both applications offer the option to ship items directly to the buyer, or you can meet up in person to exchange the item if you prefer. You can make some extra money selling items online. Just make sure to describe your item and set a fair price. Number 3. Offer freelance services. Offering freelance services such as writing, editing, or graphic design is a great way to make money online. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to create a profile and offer your service to clients around the world. You can set your own rates and work as much or as little as you want. Number 4. Rent out a spare room. If you have a spare room in your home, you can make money by renting out on Airbnb. Airbnb allows you to lease your room or entire home for short-term rentals. You can set your own rates and availability. Number 5. Become a virtual assistant and offer administrative or technical support to clients remotely. As a virtual assistant, you can offer administrative or technical support to clients remotely. There are many websites that connect freelancers with clients looking for virtual assistants, such as Upwork and Fiverr. Number 6. Create and sell online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create and sell an online course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. This can be a great way to share your knowledge and make some extra money. Number 7. Write and sell an ebook. If you enjoy writing, you can write and sell an ebook. This can be a great way to share your ideas and reach a wider audience. Number 8. Sell prints of your artwork. If you are an artist, you can sell prints of your artwork on platforms like Etsy or Society6. This can be a great way to share your artwork and make some extra money too. Number 9. Offer pet sitting or dog walking services. Pet sitting and dog walking services are in high demand, especially in urban areas. You can offer these services through apps like Rover. This can be a great way to make money while also spending time with animals. Number 10. Participate in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. There are many companies that offer affiliate programs, and you can sign up to promote products on your blog or social media channels. These are just a few of the many ways you can make money online. It's important to do your research and find legitimate opportunities that suit your skills and interests. Comment below if you want to go in depth on any of the ways to make some extra money. Please hit the like button. And please hit the link below for more useful information. Don't forget to subscribe. It's completely free. Thanks for watching.